Good morning, all. Welcome to Anand Rathi Morning Commodity and Currency Podcast. Let's begin with precious metal update. The upcoming USCPI report due tomorrow is the focal point for current week gold trade. The current market sentiments suggest a slightly bearish outlook for gold, but this could quickly shift depending on tomorrow's data and the Federal Reserve's interpretation of it. On the other hand, silver may see wild moves as compared to gold this week, while may remain cautious ahead of crucial data points. Technically, gold intraday support is around 62,100 and 61,800, while resistance is seen around 62,680 and 62,850. Going ahead with energy update, oil markets might remain under pressure on lingering demand concerns from China. However, OPEC is set to release its monthly report on Tuesday, while IEA will release its monthly report on Thursday. Markets will watch whether the two will maintain their oil demand forecast for 2024 and 25, given that demand is likely to see some pressure from US interest rates remaining higher for longer in 2024. Despite the geopolitical threat, we don't see sustainable upside in oil prices and demand concerns. $78.79 barrel level will continue to act as a major resistance. Technically, crude oil intraday support is around 6,320 and 6,250, while resistance is seen around 6,410 and 6,470. Going ahead with base metal, today copper prices are expected to trade marginally higher, tracking a slightly weaker dollar index. Although trade might remain in a range as market in the top metal consumer, China, are closed for the Lunar New Year holiday. Investors are cautiously awaiting US consumer inflation data on Tuesday for cues on the potential trajectory of interest rates. Additionally, speeches by several Federal Reserve officials will be monitored this week. Technically, copper intraday support is around 700 and 697, while resistance is seen around 708 and 712. On currency front, for today, rupee might carry advantage of marginally opening higher on the back of dollar's weakness versus its major peers in the lead up to the US inflation data. Meanwhile, India's December inflation data is due later in the day and is expected to show retail inflation rose by 5.09%, the slowest pace in the 3 months. Overall, USD INR has no real trigger to use to come out of the current band for now, unless the CPI data surprises. No major economic events for today. That's all for today's podcast. Have a successful trading day. Thank you.